Alright, so it's evening time, guys, and I needed to just come out. I came out actually to put the garbage out, and I saw that beautiful sunset. Look at that, guys. It is marvelous. It is magnificent. Earlier there was so much, like the clouds were dark, the whole place, the clouds were dark. And then all of a sudden, the light breaks through, and we're looking at the glorious vision of God's handiwork. Look at that sunlight, guys. So every time we have to stop and say thank you. We have to stop and say thank you. And I just had to capture it for you guys wherever you are. I just had to capture it. And in the midst of it, this nice red tree. And a few weeks ago it was all sticks. And now look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It's beautiful, beautiful. A simple beautiful. We look at that one out there. Simply beautiful. 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 And so I say to us, how does one make $1,000 on YouTube? How does one make $1,000 on YouTube? Let's talk, my people. How does one make $1,000 on YouTube? Okay, please tell me. Please tell me how it works. Tell me how it works, please.